Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials. Plug the Mixamp into USB so Windows detects it. Install Astro Command Center now because firmware updates fix audio routing bugs. Once done, power the Mixamp and connect your headset to the headphone jack. Make sure Device Manager shows the Mixamp as an audio device. This prevents later conflicts. If Windows prompts for driver installation, allow it. This step sets a stable foundation. Firmware and software must match to avoid latency or voice chat issues. Once your device is recognized, open Windows Sound Settings and make the Mixamp the default playback and recording device so apps use it automatically. Then launch Astro Command Center to select PC mode. This ensures the Mix dial controls game versus chat audio. Adjust side tone so you hear your own voice at a comfortable level. This prevents shouting. Also confirm sample rate at 48,000 Hz to match most games. These settings create correct routing and consistent audio levels between applications and parties. You finish by testing both game audio and voice chat. Launch a game and a chat app, then use the Mixamp dial to balance them. If you hear nothing, first check the USB port. Avoid unpowered hubs, try a direct port and restart Windows. If the PC still fails to detect audio, reinstall drivers and run Astro Command Center again. Use the firmware recovery option if dropouts persist. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping USB ports and reinstalling firmware resolves most detection and stability problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.